Okay, this will be round 3 with Mika. The marijuana tube was recently right here. And now we have moved it from there all the way down to here. Okay, so we're just going to cut Mika loose, get her keyed up. Mika, where's the dope? Woo, where's the dope? Where's the dope, Mika? Where's the dope? Where's the dope? Where's it at? Find it. Let's go find it. Good girl, Mika. Good girl. Here. Here you go, here. Ain't no motion. Ready? Find the dope. Find the dope, Mika. Good girl, Mika. Good girl. Coach A. Now she has to lay down to get the reward. Coach A. Coach A. Woo! That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Go back to source, maybe? Even better. Find it, Mika. Find it. Just in case you was wondering, there's a training aid in the cocaine tube, which she checked and bypassed. See the tennis ball there? She bypassed that and went to the marijuana with a ball in there that you can't see. But the training aid is in there. Good girl. Let's see if Mika will let go. Mika, I see. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. I see. I see. Done. Mika, done. Done. Here. I see. Done. Done. Go find it. Go find it. Go find it. Go find it. Good girl. Coach A. Coach A. Coach A. Coach A. Coach A. Get it out of there. Get it out. Get it out. Woo, good girl.